Hi, this is In My Opinion Crypto, and this is the Weekly Candle Show. And today is September 30, and it's a new week for Bitcoin. And we closed below the previous week. We closed below 65,602. Now, where are we going? Let me show you my chart. By the way, this is not financial advice. This is just education for those who are starting trading. I would be your trading buddy, and I will be your guide. So right now, Bitcoin is going to retest 64.2, or it will retest the FVG. And this blue line here, 61.3. This is the monthly pivot, 61.3 to 58.7. Hopefully it bounces back up when it hits 61.3. And October 7 is a very important date. Just like when I said that September 23 we will be bouncing from the bottom of this candle, September 2 to September 23. I mentioned that in I think it was my first live stream. And so I'm waiting if October 7 will be a good day for Bitcoin. And we're also nearing the election week, the US presidential election week. That would be on November 4th. So that's another big week for asset classes like Bitcoin and the stock market. So right now, Bitcoin is going down. Let's look at the 4-hour. I posted something. I posted this in my Facebook last night that the buy area would be here inside this box. Anywhere from 62.5 to 58.7. That's a good buy area. But I will be waiting. If I'm going to buy, I'll be waiting 61.3 at least, because this is the monthly pivot. And I think this is the monthly view for Bitcoin. If we're going to go lower, I'm betting on that we're not going to go lower than 58.7. But if I'm wrong, these are the price targets: 55.8, 54.8, and this one, 51,000. This is the pivot for the bull market, and a big supply area here, 43.9 to 41.3. Going back to the 4-hour, see a break of structure here. Now this red line here, the 64.2, is important, because if it's not going to hold, there's going to be it's going to be breaking a major structure, one of the major structure, and we're targeting 61.4 to 61.3, and then we bounce. This black line here is the 45-degree angle, and this is my bull market trend line that I'm using. We can also go down here to 53, but I'm betting on we'll stay up on this level, 61.3. I have so I have a lot of charts here that I've been doing. This is the monthly chart for Bitcoin starting from September 11. Bear market went down to the bottom. This is the breakup structure. Bitcoin was only $8. And when it broke the breakup structure, went from around $9.28 to $1,163. Bear market, and then bull market. And then 2013 it went down to the bear market bottom January of 2015, and that is Bitcoin went from $1,163, it went down to $152.54, and then it bounced. And from $321 or from $152.40, it bounced up to $19,798 back in 2017, December 2017. And that's at the bull market top in 2017, and then bear market bottom December 2018. Bitcoin went down to $3,156, and then it bounced to 69,000. Bull market top November 21. And then we had another market bottom November 1, 2022. We went down to $15,476, and now Bitcoin is at 64,424. Now this has a pattern. What I did here, I averaged the number of days it takes from Bitcoin to move from the bear market bottom to the bull market highs. So in general, it's 1,065 days from this past three bull markets here. 2017, and then if I average it 1,065 days, the bull market top will be on October 20, 2025. If it's an average of all those bull markets, 989 days, that would be July 28, 2025. But I'm leaning on more on around September to November of 2025. Break of structure, I measured how long it takes, the average number of days from the break of structure here for Bitcoin to go to its all-time high, average of 335 days. So 335 days from break of structure, That would be September 8, 2025. I also measured how long it takes for Bitcoin to get from halving to all-time high, average of 477 days. That would be July 22, 2025. Let me see what other charts do I have. Okay, this is another chart that I created. I'm making a lot of charts that would guide me in determining the top. So whichever chart would work. I just want to have a guide, a different point of views. So if it's a cup and handle point of view, from bottom to top, and then you put that here on the break. So it says Bitcoin would be $268,000. A lot of people in Twitter would say around 100,000, 150,000. So we don't know. Right now we don't know. So these are my targets. So since I was able to determine, I have a guide that this is a measured move from the bottom of the cup to the top. So I did a Fibonacci, measured it, and if this will be respecting it, then maybe this measurement is going to be is working. And but I'm not saying that's going to be $200,000. We'll do it level by level. This is just an idea. And another one is let's do the Fib extensions. So these are the bull markets. December all-time high, December 2013, December 2017 all-time high, November 2021 all-time high. So if you will be doing a Fib, the start of the Fib here, if you're going to do a Fib, low October 11 to high December 2013 to the bear market bottom of 2015. This Fib extension, 0.786 and 0.618 was able to determine the top of the bull market in December 2017. Now the Fib extension that I did on 2017, bull market bottom of January of 2015, bull market high of 2017, and the bear market bottom of December of 2018. This is that Fib. This is this Fib, I mean. The December 2017 Fib, all-time high Fib, 786. This is the 786, and this is the 0.618, and it was able to determine the top, the bull market top of bull market of 2021, November 2021. This area here. So the logic is the Fib extensions that you will be doing from the bear market bottom of the previous bull market to the bull market high of the last bull market, that would be November 2021, would determine the top of the bull market in 2024 to 2025. So the bull market, the 0.786 is at $174,000, and the 0.618 is $104. So based on this model, Bitcoin's top on 2024-2025 would be between $104,000 to $174,000. So that's one model that I did. Now let's do the R4. The R4 is similar to the fib extensions. The R4 that I did is I've used the pivots. I've used the so on the pivot back in December 13 bull market top R4 and R3, it wasn't able to catch the top. This is the outlier, but it was able to catch the bottom of the bull market in bear market, I mean, in December 2018. And the pivots on the bull market top in December 2017, R4 and R3, this red rectangle here, was able to determine the bull market top in November 2021. Now, the R4 in November 2021 is at 147,000 so based on this model, Bitcoin's bull market top would be around $106,000 to $147,000 if this pivots would be right. What else? This other model, fib circles and time. Let's start with the fib time here. Okay, this red and blue vertical lines, this is the fib time. So I did the fib, December 2017 bull market top, December 2018 bear market bottom. It was able to determine the bull market top back in November 2021, and it was able to determine the bull market bottom, the bear market bottom, December. It's about almost it's a bit late because the bear market bottom in 2022 happened in November. So on the fib time, it was able to catch it a month after, and then Bitcoin went on this uptrend that we have here. So based on the fib time, important dates is October 1. If we go to the weekly chart, it will show September 23, which I've mentioned on my first live stream, and then November 3, 2025. So based on the fib time, it would be November of 2025, the bull market top. And on the fib circles, I did a lot of fib circles here, but I just left one. This is how it looks like. Where is it? I think I deleted it. So based on the fib circles, the bull market of 2025 is not going to go past this circle. So if it's November 2025, based on the fib circle and time, Bitcoin can go up to $307,000 based on this model. So on their previous models, Bitcoin's top would be around $100,000 to 270, if I'm not mistaken. So based on this model, fib circles and time, if it's November 2025, $304,000. So what I did, based on this model, I did the fib from this $302,000 and to this, to the bottom, and see if it's going to respect it. So I would be able to determine if it's going that path. What else did I did? Degrees and time. Okay. So this is one of the model that I did. So in general, Bitcoin's from bear market bottom to the bull market high, it's 1,065 days. So this lines here, September 2021 to December 2021, and then the 45-degree angles here, and I would be putting vertical lines that would intersect with the month and the 45-degree angles. It was able to determine the bull market top of back in November of 2021. And these lines here, this multicolored lines, red, blue, orange, and purple, that we did here, was able to catch the price action, the current price action in 2024. And I did another 45-degree angles here, and also put lines here for September 2025 to December 2025. So I would be able to determine the top of the bull market. So again, I placed the lines here. So based on this model, Bitcoin can top from 84,000 to $116,000 based on this model. So I will be looking closely at this model. So I have a lot of charts that I'm doing. I've deleted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've deleted my Gann chart, so I need to redo it again. This is for my day trading. This is it bouncing? Yeah. Looks like it bounced 64.2. So we'll just wait for the daily close to determine if it's really a bounce. So if it's not going to break this market structure here, 64.2, but I'm leaning on start of a bullish trend in Bitcoin. What's this chart? Let me show you. Favorites. Okay, let me show you the M2 chart. No? What's happening? Uh, okay, this is the global M2 chart for the weekly. Okay, so the global M2, it is the global money supply. So if there's an increase in the global money supply, it's good news for risk assets like the stock market and cryptocurrency. So there's a breakout here. There's a breakout, so that's looking good for us. And what else should I show you? Global money supply. I'm looking for the Fed. Can't find it right now. I think I lost it. I'll create the chart again next time. So that's it for now. Let's wait for the daily candle close to find out if Bitcoin really did hold in 64.2, and then we go from there. And as I posted in my Facebook page, the bull market has started. Thank you for watching the Weekly Candle Show.